Moonlight glimmered over the quiet railway as Thomas the Tank Engine sat at Bracken Hollow Station, his lamp flickering nervously. It was the night of the Grand Lantern Parade, a magical evening when the tracks sparkled with hundreds of glowing fairy lanterns. But tonight, something was wrong. One lantern, the fairy signal lantern, was missing, and the railway could not be safely relit without it. Thomas puffed anxiously, his whistle echoing through the empty station. If only someone could help me find the fairy signal lantern, he sighed. Suddenly, a trail of golden dust shimmered in the air. Tinker Bell, bright and cheerful, zipped from the shadows, her wings whispering in the cool night air. "Don't worry, Thomas," she said, landing softly on his buffer. "If it's a missing lantern, it's just the kind of adventure for a fairy." Together, they began their search. Tinker Bell flitted above the rails, her glow casting playful patterns across the ground. "Let's look where the lanterns last were," she suggested, darting toward the oak tunnel near the edge of the woods. There, Thomas chugged in behind her, steam swirling in the moonlight. Hidden deep inside the tunnel, Tinker Bell spotted a faint, silvery glimmer behind a pile of old leaves. But as Tinker Bell tried to lift the lantern, she noticed it was tangled in a skein of cobwebs. Just then, a gentle voice echoed, a small spider had built her web over the lantern, not realizing its importance. Thomas, ever kind, talked softly to the spider. "Your web is beautiful, but the railway needs this lantern tonight. Could you help us?" The spider, touched by Thomas's words, scurried away and respectfully pulled the threads clear. Finally free, Tinker Bell sprinkled pixie dust and the lantern's magical glow blazed anew. She soared above Thomas, guiding him to hang the lantern back at the signal post.